mySolarEdge app allows system owners to monitor the system, troubleshoot and fix basic issues without requiring installers to visit the site. Download mySolarEdge app from Google Play or App Store and install it on your smartphone. Now you can log into mySolarEdge app. You can use your SolarEdge user and password for monitoring, if you already have received them from your installer. If you don't have them, ask your installer for more assistance. You are now at the dashboard. Tap the icons on the upper part of the screen to track your energy use and production in real time. Control smart home devices, EV charging and maximize your energy savings. Tap the icon in the middle to control your smart home devices. Tap the right icon to view your system layout. Tap the menu icon to view and configure other options of your system. For more information on how to use the mySolarEdge app, go to the mySolarEdge playlist on the SolarEdge YouTube channel. Thank you.